viewers, I am Mohammad Akil Hussain of class 4. I am from MM Model School. Today is 15th August, that is Independence Day. Everyone loves this Netherland and likes to celebrate, but very few people know how best they can do so. I have various choices before me. If I want more exciting work, I may join the Army, the Air Force of the Navy. By doing so, I shall be strengthen the defense of the country. However, I am only a student at present here. I can serve my country in many ways by preparing myself to become a true scientist or as well as a doctor for our beloved country.
My name is Mohammad Isan and my school name is MM Model. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August of every year. Independence Day is national holiday of India. This day is sacrifice. This day is remember sacrifice our is great freedom fight. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum ma'am. My name is Arman Ali. I read in class 4. I am from MM Model School. A few lines. I will say a few like on Independence Day. India most important day is Independence Day because our country got independence on this day. Our great and soldier sacrifice their lives for freedom. This day is celebrated with great joy on August 15 of every year. On 15 August 2020, the Prime Minister will host the national flag. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Azra Parveen, class 4, Farmer Model School. Happy Independence Day. We are Indian. We are Indian, bold and free. We are Indian. We love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute our flag with pride. We sing Jana Gana Mana. We standing by side. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Sahil, roll number 9, section B, class 4, MM Model School. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15 August with great joy and happiness. India become independent from British rule. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mandana Jamil. I read in class 4A. My school name is MM Model School. As we know, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is a national day. It is a national day for every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. We also remember of sacrifice, of our great freedom fighters. My topic is how to serve our country. Helping others is the perfect way to serve our country. Who live there, do a job that serves our community, doesn't involve violence. Army force do not serve our countries, they destroy them. Thank
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sufia Khatun, roll number 9 for MM Model School. Independence Day. Let's salute the nation, the pledge that the labor of. Let's salute the nation, the pledge that the labor of our part. Various shall not be
not be the victim when they feel proud to be a part of a previous nation. Nothing is as good as living in an independent and reigning nation. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am. My name is Junaid Akram from class 4 from MM Model School. In the D part to hear loud sound has to be very loud. Model the personal qualities of good citizen. Be active in your community. Keep yourself well informed. Be a mentor. Be a productive member of society. Thank you.
Myself, my name is Rafal Khan. I am class 4A. My study in MA Model School. Independence Day is a celebrate on a 15 August of every year. It is a national day of from every India. We should make our country feel proud of us. We should feel proud to make an India change.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasin Naseem of class 4. I am from MM Model School. Today is 15 August, that is Independence Day. Independence Day of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August of every year. It is a national day for every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. Thank you.
Morning ma'am, my name is Vania Parvin. I am from class 4. Today is Independence Day, a special day for us. On this day we pray for our freedom fighter to fight for his country. Thank you ma'am.
Assalamualaikum, myself Sajid Parveen of class 4. I am from MM Model School. Today is 15 August, that is Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. Independence Day is important day of India. On 15 August in 1947 we got independence from British. It is a national day of India. My topic is how to serve your citizens. Pay tax on time, obey law and order, don't destroy public property, plant trees and make it easier to breathe. Thank you.